All right. Basically a little Mustang part unboxing. I got the upgraded fuel system that LMR offers. Basically, this came in the mail yesterday. I can show you a picture of what it looked like. And I just kind of pulled this out the top, but I didn't really get a chance to go over to make sure that everything was still in the box. So let's work on getting everything out and getting it set up. And then we can double check. Let's make sure we have everything we're supposed to have here. Goes along with some more zip ties. Nice aeromotive liquid filled gauge. That over there. Looks like we got a bunch of ORB fittings right here. The fuel rail. The fuel filter, which is nice so you can service it. Need the part number. There we go. We've got looks like some 90s in this bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those maybe. Two mounting screws, I'm assuming, are for the fuel filter mounting plate, which is right here. Set that over there. Now, when I got this box, it was, I guess the factory seal was cut, and then it was taped. This is the side you're going to see, but it was rubbing, so I got a couple spots here. But all in all, I mean, not bad fuel rails. It's like there's two spacers in here. I'm not sure what they're for. Maybe there should be 4. Who knows? So there's our fuel rails. I guess these are the long ones. So that'll be your feed and your return that go all the way to the back. They threw a couple stickers down in. All right, we got some more stuff. Here is the mounting bracket that they give you to mount the fuel pressure regulator. I've seen that, so I kind of know where that one goes. We've got aeromotive kit. This one is actually sealed here, so everything should be in there. So let's take a look. This is the wiring kit and fuel pump right here. Oh, okay. This way. There we go. All right. So this actually has the rewire kit with the fuel relay relocation. They give you some crimp ends, which I'll probably solder all that stuff when I do my install. They do give you some instructions, so you have something to refer to, which is kind of cool. The aeromotive stuff's always been pretty decent. I bought it back, man, when I was messing with the Mustang. That's kind of that was some of the fuel parts that were quality top notch were the aeromotive stuff. So let's get this sitting here. Let's see what else. This right here should be the fuel pump assembly. Good sealed box, not opened. Open this one. Yep. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. Let's check this thing out. Comes with some instructions. as the dogs all decide they have to visit me. But we got some instructions here. Wire ends, fuel sock. And here is the fuel pump assembly. This is supposed to be a 370. An AEM one. Nice fittings up here. They've used the good plastic hose that doesn't deteriorate. Nice feed and return. You can just bolt your power wires on. They give you a retaining ring. And what else we got? Two little tiny stickers in here. It says Aeromotive Stealth Fuel Systems. I guess the stealth part is it's in your factory fuel kit, which is what we were going for. Yeah, so pretty interesting. Here's our instructions. Just check these out real quick. See what we see. Yeah, cool. Nice little setup. So I just wanted to double check to make sure that we had everything in this box. So here's a picture of the fuel system. So we got the wiring, the pump. Looks like two big packs of hose. Oh, I should have stuck that back in that fuel pump. The Y thing. Fuel filter mount. Fuel filter. Okay. I'm not sure, but they're showing those on there. These are the ones that go onto the fuel filter. There's two medium lines, one slightly longer line. Then there's two shorter ones here. So we got those. Mounting bracket. Gauge. Regulator. I don't see those in the picture. Yep, there they are. They're right there. 90s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, I was right. 7 90s. I didn't see the ring. O-ring showing the O-ring in here, but I didn't see the O-ring, which I have that. So they don't show the zip ties, but they give you those along. I actually seen someone say something about that. The two fuel rails. I don't see anything on these, so I'm not sure what they're for. Kind of hard to say, but I kind of picked this because it did have the black fuel rails. It looks like it was pretty complete. My car's okay. It still has the factory fuel system on it. I am planning to redo everything. Hopefully everything was in the camera besides the back of my head. You actually got to see the stuff. I won't know till I review it. But it's a pretty complete fuel system. It's something you could put together if you want to. I know a guy that does fuel systems, and he can get these lines made in black. So, I mean, that's always an option. I might get the lines that you actually see up on top of the engine replaced with black, just so it fits in a little bit better and looks, you know, so these just don't pop, you know what I mean? I don't want to see fuel line. I want to see everything else. Not to say that this isn't a nice setup here. So, there you go. I mean, really nice setup. Everything's here. Basically, you just got to put it together and figure out where a couple things go. But if you're taking the car apart, it's pretty easy to do. I've installed a couple fuel systems on some different cars. And it'll be kind of enjoyable to get this installed. I've got a lot of other new parts that I'm going to be unboxing because I'm doing a full restoration on my '89 coupe. And yeah, here we go, guys.